The ARCCAPTAIN Cut55 Pro Plasma Cutter offers impressive cutting capabilities, handling materials up to 3/4 of an inch thick, with precision and stability. Its pilot arc function allows for efficient cutting without direct contact, which is particularly beneficial for working on surfaces with rust or dirt, extending the torch's lifespan. With the convenience of app control, users can adjust parameters and monitor the machine remotely, making it user-friendly for both beginners and professionals. The inclusion of 2T and 4T modes provides flexibility and reduces operator fatigue during extended use, enhancing the overall user experience. Installation is quick and straightforward thanks to the pre-installed air regulator and filter, ensuring clean airflow and stable pressure for optimal cutting performance. Safety and durability are prioritized with a smart cooling system and robust construction, significantly reducing the risk of failures and extending the machine's life.